Don't put that in. Let me start over. What? You're not going to cut it at all? What do you want the intro to be? What's up, guys? I'm Caleb Quanbeck, and this is my bike check with the come up. I've got a Stranger 20.75 ballast frame, Stranger 9.2 Hayes bars, Stranger ballast forks, and Merit front load stem with Stranger Quan grips on the bars. Primo 170 Pro cranks with a Stranger Graham 25 tooth sprocket, Merit plastic pedals, Primo chain, Merit pivotal seat, Merit seat post. BSD Donna Squeak tires 2.4. Primo 4.5 inch plastic pegs. I got a Primo N4 FL in the front with the plastic guards laced to a Stranger XXL rim, and in the rear a Primo Free Mix left-hand drive with guards laced to a Stranger XXL rim. These rims are a little bit different. They have holes drilled in them. They're just samples. The production ones don't have any holes in them. The bars are uncut, wheels slammed. I like my bike to feel really small and twitchy. And that's pretty much it though. Thanks for checking out my bike.
You okay?
Straight. Sick.
I don't know. How you guys doing today? This is Tom Villarreal, and this is my bike check. My sponsors are Deco, Madeira, 8 and 9 Clothing, Brass Boxers, and The Trip. Today we're going to be talking about my bike here. Let's see.